morning to all. I welcome in the fourth session of Any Woman. It's a small poem. In this stanza, I explain the meaning of fourth stanza and fifth stanza. There is only one more stanza. I will explain in the next class. So, in this fourth stanza, I am the twist that holds together all children in its sacred ring. Catherine Tynan compares a mother with what is a twist which holds all the flowers in its sacred ring. Is it clear? So here twist means a hook. Twist means what is that? A hook to keep two threads. What is that? To join two threads. Is it clear? It is a hook. What is that? Twist means a hook which joins two threads. Is it clear? That is called hook. It is called a hook. If you think it is a garland, so it is a one thread and that is a one thread. The both sides of thread keep them together. Are joined. To join them together. That is called hook. Here, mother is a hook. I am the twist. I am the hook. Who said? Catherine Tynan said, or the mother said. Mother said, I am the hook. I means here mother. I am the twist that holds together all children in its sacred ring. How thread or how hook keeps two threads, what is that? Two ends of the thread together, keep together. In the same manner, the mother in the home works like a hook to keep all the children together happy in its sacred ring. What is the sacred ring? The mother's love. Sacred means holy. How long there is a mother in the home, all the children are in the love of mother, are in the love in the sacred ring. Okay, see, the mother works like a hook to keep all the children together happily in the home. Here, their knot of love from whose close tether. Tether means tie. Here knot means it is also one kind of tie. One kind of a tie in Telugu mudi. Okay, see, here the garland becomes with the help of small many flowers. It is a collection of many flowers. With the help of the thread, by knotting many flowers, so the garland, what is that? Becomes a garland. It looks like a garland. It's a beautiful. Is it clear? How all flowers keeps what is that? In a right form to look beautifully. The same manner, your mother tether nothing but tie all the children tightly with her love in the home. Is it clear? So mother tether nothing but ties all the children tightly in the home with her love. Like all flowers, tying all flowers tightly to give a wonderful look or wonderful appearance to the garland. In the same manner, the mother ties all the children with her love tightly without losing from its sacred link, from mother's love. Is it clear what I am saying? If any flower comes out of garland or comes out of the thread from the garland, what will happen? The flower does the flower have value? It doesn't have value, and it is useless. along the flower in its garland, what will happen? It's a value, it's a usable, and at the same time it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful, and it is a one part of the what is that garland. Is it clear? Here same. How long the baby or the children in the mother's love in her mother's love, what will happen? The children has value. The children have value. Okay, and the children look beautiful, and they do any kind of thing to get success. They get a great success. Great success. Is it clear what I'm saying? See, no child goes a wandering means. See how long the children in their mother's love, they live according to mother's words or mother's plan. How long they experience their mother love, what will happen? No child goes wandering. Wandering means roaming. Roaming without having what is a goal, or without knowing what is good and what is wrong. Okay. So how long they experience what is the mother's love? They are in a sacred ring. Who are in the sacred ring? The children, all children in the sacred ring of the mother. Is it clear? What is it? Okay. Here, and again the poet compares the mother with the house from the roof to floor. Here mother compares with the house, the entire house from floor to roof. And I dug the walls and the board I spread. I spin curtains, warp and hoop, and set the down to be their bed. In this stanza, Catherine Tynan explains the works of a mother, the mother are the functions of a mother. Here, the mother, according to Catherine Tynan, mother works like a machine. She works nearly 20 hours per day, and she did many jobs or many works like what is that? That is the reason why Catherine Tynan compares a mother with a house, the house from floor to roof. And another one, I dug. Here, I means a mother. I means what? A mother in the house. I dug. Mother dug the walls. Here, dug means decorate. Dug means what? It decorate. Mother decorates the walls with flowers and pictures. Okay, and posters. Here, mother decorates the entire home beautifully. That is the one function that performed by the mother. The another one, the mother prepared a dining table. What is that? Mother spread a dining table. After completion of cooking all items, see, mother prepares what is the dining table. Prepares a dining table. Here, board means a dining table. Board means a dining table. Actually, the sentence pattern is here I spread the board. Here I means whom? The mother. The mother in the home. Here, mother spread the dining table. She prepares all items and see what is it? She prepares all items and kept all the items in the dining table to make all children eat happy. And another one, I spin the curtains. Here mother get the curtains and wash them and keeps all curtains to the windows and the doors and the cupboards. That is the work of whom? The mother. The mother must perform all these activities. What is it? Spin the curtains. Spin means what is it? Move the curtains. And another one is a difficult word, that is a hap and hoop. Have and hope, it is a praise. Have and hope, it is a praise. It is used, these two words are used in what is that, waving the fabric, waving the fabric. So straight lines and the wet, what is that? So these these are two activities used in waving the fabric, waving the fabric. So here, see, use these words to say one function of the mother, one work of a mother performed in a house. That is, she washes the floor and she mop the floor with a cloth. That is the one function. So entire house will be washed by the mother. After washing the house on the floor of the house, see, mother mops entire house with a cloth. So all these works are performed by whom? Only mother. The first work, that is the reason why she said at the starting line of the 5th stanza, I am the house. Who is the house? The mother is the house from floor to roof. No other one is the house from floor to roof. Floor to roof means whatever is done, that is by whom? The mother only. All the works should be done by who is that? Mother only. Mother is doing all the things from roof to floor. That is the reason she said, I am the house from roof to floor. Is it clear? She decorated the walls, she decorated the house, and then the one she prepares the food, and then the one she spread and she prepares what is the dining table, and then the one she moves the curtains. Curtains are not good. She remove the curtains and wash them and keep the curtains at the windows and the doors and the cupboards. That is, and she keeps all the floor or all the house cleanly just by doing a rap and hoof. And say at the last work is set the down to be their beds. She prepares the bed for her children. Bed for all the family members in the home. And after preparing the bed, it's not complete her duty. And her duty was not completed. What is that? She has to prepare the bed and she has to she has to make their children or their children sleep. Is it clear what I am saying? So that is the reason why set that down to be their bed. She prepares the bed, and then the one she make her children sleep on their bed. These are the duties. Even after making the children sleep on their beds, her duty is not completed. So I think you know that. After all people are going to sleep, she is the only one person in the home is alive, that for clearing washing all the dishes. Is it clear? So that is the greatness of the mother. In this 4th stanza, she explains, Catherine Tynan explains the greatness of mother's love, and in this stanza she explains what is that. The functions a mother performed in the house. The works mother performed in the house. That is, I think you could understand it. We will meet in the next session. Thank you very much.